bird sanctuary. There's Lexi taking pictures of the birds in the bird sanctuary.
For the kids.
There's birds up there. Look at all the fish over there.
All the what?
Fish.
Oh.
I don't know that I would drive that in there. Because then you'd have to get it back out. But they're also down there beside the thing. See all the fish?
Yeah, I think it is that. Yeah, see if you can hold one. Down. Got it? Alright, look. Okay.
Mia, what is that? Wow. Aw, look at the birds having a good time up there. Lovely. Oh, look at those things over there, man. Wow, wow, wow. Michaela. Bye, Mia. Bye.